Alright, thank you and welcome back. Onto this one. Sunday, the Yoruba activist of Oduduwa Republic, the freedom fighter of the Oduduwa Republic, Sunday Igboho, has been arrested in Cotonou. Alright, the news in detail. Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Igboho has been arrested in Cotonou. Sunday Igboho was arrested on Monday night after fleeing Nigeria to evade arrest by Nigerian secret police. By Sahara reporters, the news has it that Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Adeye, more popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic, by secretary operative in the West African country. Igboho was arrested on Monday night after fleeing Nigeria to evade arrest by Nigerian secretary police. A source privy to this capture from Nigeria said that it had perfected plans to secretly escape from Nigeria through Cotonou and was heading to Germany. It was, however, nabbed by security operatives in the neighboring country. Speaking with Sahara reporters, a source privy to the incident said that Sunday Igboho has been arrested in Cotonou. He was arrested about an hour ago, and the thing has been how it is, as it was supposed to travel to Germany through Cotonou this night. He further said that he wanted to leave Africa through Cotonou. He was arrested by security operatives in Cotonou. They are planning to bring him back to Nigeria. Remember that the Department of the State Service and they declared Sunday Igboho wanted after his operative carried out a bloody midnight raid on his residence in the Soka area of Ibadan, Oyo State. DSS Public Relations Officer Peter Afunanya had advised Igboho to turn himself to the nearest security. Those cheering and applauding him may appeal to our advice to advise him to do the needful. As Ifunanya said, he said that he should surrender himself to the appropriate authorities. He or any can never be above the law. Pelumi Alajimbasi, one of the lawyers representing Igboho and the others arrested in his house, told the Sahara reporters that he had not confirmed the news of Igboho's arrest in Cotonou. According to him, he said that I will contact Yemi Aliu San to verify the news, he said. Alright, my good people, this has been how it is at this moment, as the Yoruba activist Sunday Igboho has alleged to be arrested in Cotonou. Alright, let me have your take on this. As long as this news is concerned, if I'm to make it more palatable and to say, the essence of this arrest is definitely something that one need to look into. There are some charges that have been alleged to the young man, and the thing has been how it is. Well, let me have your take on this until we get the real gist of it. In our next update, I would like you to send in your take, and then remember to tap on the subscription button for more updates. Thank you and God bless you.